If you watch the news, you're probably broke and poor, and here's why. If you have time to watch the news, then you have time to go pursue something, or pursue a new skill, or pursue a new business, or pursue a new career, right? We spend so much time every single morning going through Twitter, scrolling and looking at whatever's on the news. I don't know about you, but over 90% of the shit that I hear on the news is all like terrible things. This person got shot, this person's in a road chase, like this person, went to a deli and shot somebody. Like, there's just so many things going on in the world where we now associate, and that's what we start our day with. It's like, oh, I heard about this on the news. I'm pissed about today. I'm pissed about the world. I'm pissed about what's around me. I'm pissed about all the humanly demolishing things around me that I can't concentrate on what I need to achieve. When you go into the day with that mindset of like everything's fucked up, odds are you're fucked up because you watched it, you consumed it, you let yourself sit there, and you had the accountability to sit there and watch it. The amount of time that you spend watching TV every single morning, if we literally deducted that and combined it all together, you would probably have an extra 2 to 3 months a year to do what you want to do in the morning. Pursue what you want to do. Learn a new skill set. Buy a course. Find a mentor. Do something that's going to be beneficial for you. Instead of watching other people make money.